Alright, what's up? It's your local G-Dog coming back to you with another video today. Now, you can see my messed up bed and my messed up hair, or my long ass hair. And you can see the stupid ass lighting that I always have. I hate this lighting. I need to get a better light or something. Okay, so I just saw this. I don't know if this is real or what's going on here, but this is the Xbox Series X fridge. Whatever that means, so I want to check this out. Alright, yeah, so it's... Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Is that like actually the box it comes... If that's the box it comes in, that's freaking awesome, dude. Yeah. Okay, now they just have to make the PlayStation router and we'll be good. Okay, Master Chief. Alright, I like it. I like it, dude. So far. Okay, come on. Open the thing up there. Okay. I'm starting to get impatient. Like, come on, just open the damn thing up there. Oh, it actually has a light too. That's sweet. I really want this. And it's like, for some reason it seems so impractical, but I really want it. Like really bad, dude. Monster, yep, okay. Alright, just get some pipeline punches in there, we'll be good.
Hello, Night City, you man staying here with us.
This does not look good.
Raven! Shou! No mercy!
You must be on quite the journey.
Where are we?
I'm going to play it my way.
That looks pretty good.
The line between light and dark is
All this
so
stuff
very
looks so
thin.
good.
We need to fight. Get ready.
Tomatoes.
London will be the first city in the world to be made truly safe.
And he will take it.
Yeah.
They're gonna mess up my tomatoes!
You will crush our enemies.
Okay, so that's real. Yeah, so I just saw that and I was like, I had to see if this was a real thing or what was going on here, because you see so much fake stuff. Okay, but this is awesome, dude. This is the future right here, and I'm glad that this is happening. The Xbox Series X fridge, yeah, I mean, I just have a Nintendo Switch, so, you know, I can't, you know, but, dude, personally, I thought the Xbox Series X looked like a computer, like, I don't know, just a cool type of computer, but, you know, this, hell yeah, man, a fridge, I see them. Alright, so yeah, that's basically the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. You know how to like the video. You know what to do. And subscribe too. Zap that subscribe button in the face with your hand. I did. Rock that shit up, dude. You gotta rock that like button. The bell or whatever too. So yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video.